Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, did you all enjoy your holidays? Okay, good. Now children, as you all know, we are back to our online studies. So today we are having our English literature online class. So we are going to start with our new chapter today. But children, before starting our new chapter, I hope you all have completed your previous work in your notebooks. If not, then please children complete it and get it corrected. Now children, from today onwards you can get your copies corrected. For that you can send your copies to school with your parents, and I also told you before that you can come to school from Monday to Friday from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, okay, in the morning. So please get your copies corrected. Is that clear children? Now today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, the happy field. So children, please open your buzzword English literature book and open it to page number 53. The happy field. Now children, this is a story in which you are going to study about a field. Okay, so now as you all know, I will give you a small introduction of this story today. Okay, and with this introduction video children, I will also give you an assignment to complete, and your assignment will be your book exercise. Is that clear children? Now please listen to my video very carefully. Okay, what is a field? Do you all know what is a field children? A field is a piece of ground that is flat in shape, as you can see it in this picture. This is a piece of ground which is flat in shape. Flat means plain, बिल्कुल समतल. Okay, so it is used to grow crops, plants, and mostly fields are used by farmers to produce grains. Okay, what they do, they grow crops. Okay, so there is grass all around in the field, as you can see this green part. So this is all grass, you all know that. Now children, this is a story about a field, and the story is that once there was a field which was flat and covered with green grass, as you can see in this picture. एक बार एक फील्ड की कहानी है, जिसमें एक बार एक फील्ड जो था वो पूरी कवर्ड थी किससे? ग्रीन ग्रास से. ओके, काउज यूज्ड टू ग्रेज इन द फील्ड. अब काउज वहाँ पे ग्रेजिंग करने आते थे, मीन्स घास खाने के लिए आते थे. They used to graze in the field. After some time, what happened children? The field got tired of getting flat. Now what happened? बहुत दिनों के बाद फील्ड जो था उसको बहुत बोरिंग लगने लगा. He felt very tired of getting flat. उसने सोचा कि मैं इतने टाइम से फ्लैट हूँ, प्लेन हूँ, तो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. ओके, एंड फॉर अ चेंज इट पुश्ड it upwards and grew a hump. Now children, what is a hump? Hump is a round raised part on the ground, as you can see in this picture. Okay, this is a hump. You can see in the first picture the field is flat, there is no hump. Okay, कोई भी उठा हुआ पार्ट नहीं है, बिल्कुल फ्लैट है ये फील्ड. बट in this picture it is having a hump. Okay, so why why this hump is here, shown here? Because the field got tired of being flat and it decided for some change. So what happened? It pushed it upwards. जो फील्ड था उसने अपने आप को अपवर्ड्स की तरफ, ऊपर की तरफ पुश किया, तो उसमें एक हम्प बन गया ऐसा. ओके, नाउ जब ये हम्प बना तो क्या हुआ? अ हॉलो अपीयर्ड इन अदर पार्ट ऑफ द फील्ड. एक हॉलो, ये दिस इज अ हॉलो पार्ट. ये हॉलो पार्ट वहाँ पे फील्ड जब ऊपर हो गई तो यहाँ पे दूसरी साइड में फील्ड का हॉलो पार्ट बन गया. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? सीइंग द हॉलो इन द फील्ड, द क्लाउड्स poured द रेन इन इट. जब क्लाउड्स ने देखा कि ये खाली जगह बन गई, हॉलो हो गया, तो क्लाउड्स ने बारिश कर दी. poured द रेन, बारिश उसमें भर दी. बारिश हुई तो पानी उसमें भर गया. ओके, एंड इट बिकेम अ लेक. अब जब पानी भर गया तो वो क्या बन गया? लेक. इन दैट लेक डक्स एंड गीज ऑल्सो लैंडेड. जब ये छोटा सा लेक बना तो उसमें डक्स और गीज, these white birds are ducks. Okay, these are ducks, and the animals which you see in this picture in brown and green color, they are geese. Okay, so they landed in that lake. This made the field very happy. Now as the field was tired of being flat, जब उसने ये changes किया अपने अंदर तो it was very happy. Now what happened next? After some time again the field felt that जब ये लेक बन गया, हम्प बन गया, तो जो सन ऊपर आता है, it felt that the sun was too hot during the daytime. So the field thought that sun की जो रेज पूरा दिन आती है उससे बहुत गर्मी हो जाती है. ओके, सो the field decided for a change again. So what did it do? Again it pushed a hump till it became a hill. So coming to the next page, as you can see, उसने अपने आप को इतना अंदर से पुश किया कि वो जो यहाँ छोटा सा हम्प था वो यहाँ पर एक हिल का शेप बन गया, थोड़ा और बड़ा हो गया, and it became a hill. And then on that hill trees started to grow. As you can see, these trees, they started to grow. Now trees जब grow किए, जब trees वहाँ पे आ गए, तो उग गए, तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? जब trees बड़े होते हैं तो what we get shade from the trees. तो वहाँ पे shade आ गया. So it was very helpful for the animals to go there and rest under the shade of the trees. So the field was again very happy. Now what happened then? The lake also जब यहाँ पे hump और बड़ा हुआ, when it became more bigger and it took the shape of a hill, so this lake also converted into river. जब उसने और बढ़ाया अपने आप को और हिल की तरह बना दिया हम्प को, तो रिवर, जो लेक थी वो भी बड़ी होके रिवर बन गई. ओके, एंड इन दैट रिवर नाउ with ducks and geese, fish also came there. Okay, so there were many fish and they were all in that river. Is that clear, children? Now next what happened? Fish also started to swim with them, but next what happened? During the rains the rainbow used to appear. As you can see, जब भी बारिश होती है उसके बाद एक रेनबो निकलता है, तो वहाँ पे भी रेनबो निकलता था. Then the field decided to make a rainbow of its own. फील्ड ने डिसाइड किया कि जब ये रेनबो निकलता है तो क्यों ना मेरे अंदर भी एक रेनबो बन जाए, एक फील्ड में भी एक रेनबो बन जाए। तो इट डिसाइडेड टू मेक अ रेनबो ऑफ इट्स ओन। उसने एक खुद का रेनबो बनाया। ना कैसे बनाया? सो द फील्ड स्क्वीज्ड, इट प्रेस्ड द ग्रास अंटिल द फ्लावर्स केम आउट। अब फील्ड ने अपने जो ग्रास थी उसको इतना प्रेस किया कि उसमें जब तक फ्लावर्स नहीं निकल आए। ओके, देन व्हेन द फ्लावर्स केम आउट, as the flowers grew in the field, the butterflies and bees came on the flowers for nectar and honey. You all know, जब फ्लावर्स किसी फील्ड में या आपके गार्डन में फ्लावर्स बहुत सारे होते हैं तो बीज और बटरफ्लाइज आते हैं. सो व्हाई डू दे कम ऑन फ्लावर्स? टू कलेक्ट द नेक्टर. ओके, butterflies collect nectar and bees come to collect nectar, and then they make honey out of it. Okay, so the bees and butterflies came on the flowers for nectar and honey. Seeing this, the field was very happy and became very ब्यूटिफुल. जब फील्ड ने ये सब चीज़ देखा तो उसे बहुत खुशी हुई और बहुत अच्छा उसको फील हुआ. ओके, और जो फील्ड का लुक था, जो पहले सिर्फ प्लेन था, अब वो एक बहुत अच्छी फील्ड बन गई जिसमें एक हिल भी था, ट्रीज भी थे, ओके, एनिमल्स भी थे, डक्स एंड गीज एंड फिश भी थे, और वहाँ पे फ्लावर्स, रेनबो कलर्स, सब कुछ वहाँ पे कलरफुल सा फील्ड हो गई थी. सो दैट seeing all this, the field became very happy. So children, I hope you all understood the story, and this story tells us that we all should always enjoy the gifts of nature and should take care of them. So you all understood? This story tells us that we should always take care of the gifts that we get from nature. Okay, and we should respect our nature. Okay children, so that is all in this story, and in my next video I will read the story and explain you. Okay, till then children, I will give you hard words to write today. Okay, then you will complete the hard words in your notebooks. Okay, with this video I am going to give you an assignment of hard words, so you will complete your hard words today and you will learn them also. And tomorrow in my next video for English literature, I will first read the story, I will explain you the hard words, and then we will start with the next exercise. Is that clear children? Till then, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.